We're going to make regular and hot Cheeto mozzarella sticks. We're going to be using mozzarella sticks, breadcrumbs, the hot Cheeto crumbs, 2 eggs. We're going to go ahead and break the eggs into the bowl. Then we're going to go ahead and mix.
Oh, that's all right.
We're going to use a little bit of salt. Make sure you have your mozzarella sticks out of the package. We're going to go ahead and dip the mozzarella stick inside of the egg. And then we're going to pour our breadcrumbs. Once the mozzarella stick is all coated with the egg, we're going to go ahead and dip them into the breadcrumbs.
Oh, that's all right.
And for my Spanish speaking people, voy a tener las descripciones en español en la caja de descripciones. Once they're all coated, make sure you have your oil ready in a pan. We're going to go ahead and put them in the oil. This is going to take a couple of minutes to set. You want it to be golden brown, and once they're golden brown, you want to turn them around. When the oil is really hot, these make very, very fast. So you have to be checking on them. Make sure you're turning them because they will burn easily, like as you can see right now. And then there you have the regular one. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the hot Cheeto one. We're gonna do the same process. We're gonna dip them in the egg, and then we're gonna dip them in the hot Cheeto crumb.
Oh, that's all right.
Once it's done, you put them in your oil. What I did here is that I took that oil from the first batch, and then I cleaned my pan, and then I put new oil because the black stains from the crumbs wasn't working out with the new batch that I was making. So make sure you have a new oil in your pan. As you can see, they are turning very dark because of the last batch. So that's why you want to have a new set of oil. Right here you can see I put new oil, and then I was putting the rest of the hot Cheeto mozzarella sticks. And you need to be moving them really quick because they make really fast. As you can see, I'm turning them because they're already making themselves. You just keep on turning them until you see that they're done. And once they're done, just take them out. What you want to do is put them in a paper towel. I didn't do that, and you could see there's a lot of oil, but once you put them in a paper towel, the oil will be sucked in. And you can see right here the end result. Thank you. We'll see you next time.